In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add holidays and configure weekends in Smartsheet so your project schedules automatically account for non-working days. First, open the project sheet where you want to configure holidays and weekends. Next, right-click on any column header and select Project Settings. Once the Project Settings window opens, make sure dependencies are enabled. This allows Smartsheet to automatically adjust task dates based on your working schedule. After enabling dependencies, click Edit Project Settings if needed to access the scheduling options. Now locate the working days or weekend section. Select the days that should be considered non-working days for your team. For example, you can choose Saturday and Sunday or customize the weekend based on your organization's schedule. Next, find the holidays and non-working days section. Enter the holiday dates you want Smartsheet to exclude from project schedules. Add each company holiday, public holiday, or planned office closure that should not count as a working day. If the same holidays apply to everyone on the project, choose the option to apply these settings across the entire project schedule. After entering your holidays and weekend settings, review everything carefully to make sure the dates are correct. Click Save or OK to apply the changes. Smartsheet will automatically recalculate project timelines and move tasks that fall on weekends or holidays to the next available working day. This helps keep project schedules accurate and prevents deadlines from being assigned on days when work is not being performed. That's it. You've successfully learned how to add holidays and configure weekends in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.